So let's talk about ICP. Our good boy ICP is sitting at $6.5 right now. And ICP, as I had shared with you when it was up, I shared an important area of ICP and I received some good amount of hate in the comments. I don't know where were these people when ICP was dwelling around the area of $2, $3. They were never to be found. But right now they all have woken up and they have decided to attack because they think that sharing areas is a bad thing, but that is not the case scenario. I had told you that it has created a triple top structure or a head and shoulder structure, and I told you this is very, very clear, very clean, and I offered the neckline at 7.4. I told you if it doesn't hold the 7.4, or you can call it 7.5, it's 7.47, it will go towards the area of 6.17 or $6.2 area. It will dip towards it. And that was, what was the date? 9th of November. Today is 11th of November. This is exactly what has happened with Uniswap. Oh, sorry, ICP. I was covering a Uniswap before. If you look at it, just look at the price and see where it went. 6.17. I mean, how more fucking accurate someone can be. It went, it touched, it reacted, and it went back up. So the thing is that these areas, these structures, everything that I share with you, sometimes they will sound bearish, but the thing is that if a coin is turning around, is turning bearish, what do you want me to tell you? To come out and still tell you and pamper you and tap on your head and tell you, no, it's all good, it's going to go towards $20. Someone was saying $108. I mean, all that kind of bullshit. I can do that, but the thing is that coins, they move up and down, and what I do is that I try to tell you which direction it is moving from here. And when I see a reversal and I see that it is going to go up, of course I'll tell you. So at that time I told you it is going to go down towards the area of what was it? Just a second, sorry. It was 6.178. This was the area that I was aiming for. Now that we have hit that area, the only thing that we need to sit down and wait for is the upward journey, because it has already gone down, it has hit that area. Now for us, what we want is ICP to reverse from here. It really needs to hold this support area of 6.17. As long as it continues to hold this area, it should go back up. And of course, from here, the first target that we have with ICP is 7.47, or call it $7.5, which is here. This is going to be our first target. And of course, after that, I would pretty much expect ICP should create a new all-time high. Of course, in this time frame, new all-time high, I'm not talking about the $400, $500 all-time high. It should break above this price point and start creating new highs, and it should continue with the rally. So all this stuff now depends on the area of 6.17, or call it 6.2, let's make it easy. As long as ICP is holding the area of $6.2, it will continue to go up. First target will be 7.4, and then we will talk about $10 and above, all that stuff. But if it fails with the area of 6.2 as well, as I had told you previously, then pretty much you will see ICP going back towards $4, $3. That would be the case scenario. It will end up creating a Burj Khalifa pattern. The way it went up would be the way it will go back down. And I know everyone will hate it, that it will go back to where it was. All hopes and dreams, everything will die with it. But it is what it is, and the good thing is that we are going to play safe. We are not going to get stuck with it. We are not buying it at $10 thinking it is going to go towards $100. If you are someone who is in love with it, buying it at $6.2 would have been a better decision than buying it at $9. Anyway, that's everything with ICP. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.